Alright, I'm going to be walking you through the directions for the Punnett Square Google Forms assignment. As you can see here, each Punnett Square has a number, and that number corresponds to a position on the Punnett Square. So, for positions 1 and 2, which cat and genotype are you going to place here? So I'm going to place the black and white cat. So you have to tell me which cat you're placing here, comma, what the genotype is going to be. I'm going to put AA. In position 1, what letter are you putting here? The case does matter. So are you putting capital A or lowercase a? Lower caps A. I'm putting uppercase A. Position 2. So we're going to look at position 2, which is right here. I'm going to be placing an uppercase A. Alright, we're now going to look at positions 3 and 4. So positions 3 and 4 right here. I'm going to place the tabby cat, and I'm going to make its allele frequency little a. So they're both going to be recessive. In position 3, right here, the case of the letter is going to be little, and it's going to be little a. For position 4, right here, the case of the letter is going to be small, and it's going to be the little a. Alright, now we're going to look at position number 5. What genotype is formed in 5? So we're going to scroll up, we're going to look at position 5. Alright, position 5 is determined from position 1 and position 3. So what letters are in position 1 and position 3? Well, I'm going to go look. In position 1, I have a capital A. In position 3, I have a little a. So I'm going to put big A, little a. Alright, now we're going to look at genotype number 6. What genotype is formed in position number 6? I'm going to go up, look at number 6. Alright, position 2 and position 3. Position 2 and position 3 are what form position 6. So in position 2, I have capital letter A, and in position 4, I have a lowercase a. So my genotype is going to be A, big A, and little a. It's going to be the same for position 7 and for position 8. Alright, so that's the first part of this assignment. You're now going to have to go to the next page. Oh, don't forget to select this. Going to have to go to the next page. And you're going to have to look at Punnett Square ratios and or the probability of a specific genotype occurring. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 questions determining where you have to determine the ratio and the probability of a specific genotype occurring.